Good morning students. As you are aware, we are learning the topic reproduction in animals, and today we are going to learn about different types of reproduction. There are mainly two types of reproduction: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. In case of sexual reproduction, two parents are required to produce a new organism. I repeat once again. In case of sexual reproduction, two parents are required to produce a new organism. It occurs in case of plants, animals, human beings, etc. Whereas in case of asexual reproduction, a single organism or single parent is able to produce the offspring. And let us see, in case of plants, which we have already studied in class 7, there are two parts, male part and female part. Male part is called stamen and female part is called pistil. And in case of male part, that is stamen, it has two main parts, that is anther and filament. And in case of female part, it has stigma, style, ovary, about which we have already studied in our class 7. Today we are going to learn about reproduction in animals. Let us start with sexual reproduction in animals. Dear children, let us try to understand what is meant by a gamete. Both male and female individuals produce special reproductive cells which are known as gametes, and gametes fuse to form a zygote. Both male and female gamete fuses to form a zygote. And after that, zygote develops into a new individual. It is a very lengthy process about which we will be learning in our upcoming sessions. Now let us try to understand what is meant by sexual reproduction. So the definition of sexual reproduction is the type of reproduction beginning from the fusion of male and female gamete is called sexual reproduction. Once again, the type of reproduction beginning from the fusion of male and female gamete is called sexual reproduction. There are basically two types of gametes. One is male gamete, another one is female gamete. The male gamete is known as sperm and the female gamete is known as ovum or egg. And we will be learning about the fusion of sperm and egg in our upcoming sessions. Dear children, today let us learn how to draw the diagrams for human sperm and ovum. Let us draw. Let us start with human sperm first. This one is the middle piece and this one is called the tail. This is the diagram for human sperm. Now let us try to draw the diagram for ovum. This part is called the nucleus of the egg, of the ovum. And this is ovum. So dear children, here I have drawn diagrams for human sperm and ovum. Here this part is called the head, this part is called middle piece, and here it is known as the tail part, which helps during the reproduction process. And this is the human ovum. It is spherical in shape with a nucleus in the center, which takes part in the reproduction process, about which we are going to learn in our next sessions. Thank you. Good morning students. Our today's topic is male and female reproductive organs. Let us start with male reproductive organ. Male reproductive organ includes a pair of testes, singular of which is testis, T-E-S-T-I-S, testis. It also includes two sperm ducts and a penis. Once again, let us repeat. The parts of male reproductive organs are a pair of testes, two sperm ducts and a penis. Now, let us see what are the functions of testes. The function of testes is to produce the male gamete, which is called sperm, which are millions in numbers. And already we have seen about human sperm. It is very small in size. It is a single cell structure, and the main parts of human sperm includes head, middle piece and tail. Already we have drawn the diagram and I will explain to you. So let us once again see what are the parts of human sperm. It is head, middle piece and tail. The tail part helps in the movement of the sperm in a particular direction. Dear children, now let us learn about female reproductive organs. The parts of female reproductive organs are a pair of ovaries, oviducts, which are also known as fallopian tubes, and uterus. Once again, the parts of female reproductive organs are a pair of ovaries, oviducts, which is also known as fallopian tube, and uterus. Now let us see what is the function of ovary. The function of ovary is to produce female gamete, which is called ova or eggs. And a single mature egg is released into the oviduct, that is the fallopian tubes, by the ovaries every month, and development of baby takes place in the uterus. So these were some of the important functions of parts of female reproductive organ. And like testes, egg is also a single cell. And in human beings, the size of the cell varies. Already we have seen in the chapter cell structure and function. And it is very small in human being as compared to hens. It is large and we can see with our unaided eyes. But it is the largest in case of ostrich. It is also known as the largest egg cell. So this was about the male and female reproductive organs in human beings.